We usually used to be the bus, super quick, but now I gotta go walk over here. So I never told you guys why my kid's moving his daycare center. It's a daycare center that's been open for 40 years, bro. And they're closing it down. It's all good. It's all good. Roll with the punches, you know? You know Gladiator, bro? Look at this, bro. There's nothing on the ground. He just wants to feel the dirt. Oh. Have you seen that movie Gladiator, bro? Yeah, where he fucking gets some dirt and puts it on his hand? Mm-hmm. He's been doing this shit. Look at that, dude. He's holding like a little wooden stick. Yeah, dude, he's fucking Russell Crowe. Do you see what he's doing, bro? He's getting ready for battle at the fucking daycare center right now. Let's go. Dude, every day, dude. Do you see him, dude? Getting ready for battle. He has fucking dirt all over his hand. Yeah, it's dirt all over his hand now. Alright. Of course, dude. I drop him like this. Ah. We've been practicing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Check this out, dude. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high. Like that, you're embarrassing me. Dude, he won't do it, dude. He knows he's on camera, dude. Yeah. All right, I'll be right back, all right? What's up, dude? Oh, my kid didn't want me to leave, bro. Yeah, but it's okay. Yeah. It's so cheap and good. Yeah? So good, yeah. There you go, dude.
Thank you, bro. It's good, I like it.
Right here, dude.
Damn, it's been a while since we got the cigarette, dude.
Oh,
and
yeah.
the coffee.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Yeah. Oh.
It's good to have Jocelyn working with us now, you know? She's super responsible. You know, she's like part of Let Phil, you know? Every decision. I can like really tell she's like worked at a company because she's worked at one for like, you know, a while. She's super dedicated, you know? And I feel like that's how you have to be at like companies, because the company is really afraid of you hopping around. I think when you're coming up or whatever, you have to hop around because it's like the way you like make your salary increase a lot. Once you get like a place you're like really fucking with, you know?
Yeah.
You just stick to it.
Loyalty.
Yeah. Stick to it until you like learn everything. And then you leverage that to get like a higher salary or start your own thing.
What's like the attitude that you need to have when they first start?
The attitude is just make someone's life easier. Probably your direct like superior. Whatever work you can take off their hands, dude. Or your peers, whatever. You're getting paid to make someone's life easier. You know, my life was like all about like before like smoking weed, dude. Like wake and bake and shit.
Yeah.
And like your whole day would get fucked.
Right.
You know? The exact plan when I was young.
Yeah. Like every day, what morning, what drove?
Dude, I thought I was gonna be like Johnny Depp in Blow, bro. I swear to God.
Really?
Have you seen that movie?
No. With Johnny Depp, I know.
Like I was so lost. But now I'm found. So my name is Phil. I started developing after the age of 30. If you have any story about, you know, how you started programming and why, leave it in the comments below. We'll get a conversation started. And leave a like, comment, or share. It'll really help the channel. You feel it?
Yeah.
It's
muscular.
You think I'm doing good, dude?
Yeah, you're doing good.
You got it, dude?
Yeah. No, don't mess with Phil.
I think I did like, you know, sitting on the Smith machine, like presses like this. Hey, how are you?
I am good. And you?
Good. You know, I really miss these times with you, and I feel a little bit incomplete. You knew it. You knew it.
I was feeling the same way.
Are you thinking about getting a new computer?
Yes, sir.
When? Because
yes, I am.
We might have.
It's not thinking. It's I have to do it.
We might have to just send you one to use for Let Phil. What's up, Song?
Hey.
How are you? So I'm on branch called social auth. It's doing all this stuff right here, and then I made a function called social auth login. And then social auth login is using this function called social sign in credential and social auth login, and that's using a token to credential. Right now, all I have is Google here, but we're gonna add Apple, GitHub, Microsoft. But before we add those, we need to install React Native Web View. It doesn't kick you off the app; it stays in the app, but it has its own little browser.
Yeah, it's like a pop-up.
Yeah. So we're gonna create that today.
Okay.
Hey, by the way, guys, I'm getting this tattoo right here, dude. I don't know what it is, not Jocelyn, but I love this Chicano lettering.
I was gonna tell you that.
Yeah, bro, I wouldn't do it on the hand.
I'm doing it, bro. I'm going for it, bro. So
No,
wait,
man,
can I
like
tell?
the bicep is cool, but the hand?
Hand?
The biceps are already all filled, bro. But
There's a
You
story
got
behind
limited
this?
space.
there's a huge story behind this right now, dude. Yeah, no, we went to a random tattoo shop, and it ended up being like my friend's Scott, because he got a raise at his company. So I was like, oh shit, like let's hang out with Scott. And then Scott was like, hey, I want to celebrate and I'll buy dinner.
Yeah.
So I felt kind of bad, so I bought him like a really expensive handmade whiskey glass.
Uh-huh.
It actually looked really sick. And then after we ate, we were so full, we're like, dude, we need to digest before we pound more beers. You know? And so I was like, fuck, I've always wanted to get my kid's name tattooed on me.
Uh-huh.
So I was just thinking, I'm going to go in and fucking just get like,
Yeah.
get something like super small. But then I was like, dude, do I want a drunk regret? Or do I want to get something fucking sick? So I put in the reservation fee, and now it's getting designed, but it's gonna be a tattoo. It's gonna be a tattoo on my head. Wow. Yeah. How's that? Nice mustache.
Damn, dude.
Thank you.
It's full, dude.
That's what's up. Have you worked on the settings screen or the profile screen at all, Gabe?
Yeah, I just need to push it.
There is the React Native image crop picker, like an image picker inside of React Native that we need to use for the edit profile screen. So I think you've worked with that before, like, you know, the Firebase storage stuff, but you're gonna need to hook up React Native image crop picker to do that.
Image.
Yeah, it's a library. It's a image crop picker. So the crop picker means like when you so there's an image picker, but then there's the crop picker. So when you upload an image, you know how you can crop the image, like so you don't get the whole photo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought maybe we could use that instead of just image picker.
Okay. Image crop picker. Okay.
Yeah.
I see that.
And I'll give you some reference code. I have a bunch. So let me just put that in. Song, did you work on the view profile screen at all?
Oh, was that for the wireframe or?
Yeah, just the wireframe, because we do not have a design, so I do not care about like the UI looking like complete or anything. But the app needs to start like moving around places. So React Native Web View, what that is have you ever used Instagram before, Gabe?
Yeah.
Okay, so you know on Instagram when you click on like a web link, it doesn't shoot you to Safari. It stays inside of the app, inside of its own browser. Have you ever noticed that? So that's what I'm going to kind of set up. So we're going to use this React Native Web View for like privacy policy page in terms of service page as well. We're going to need to deploy those links somewhere. And I was maybe thinking about Firebase hosting, and I'll teach you guys how to do that. Super easy. But I do need to upgrade our Firebase plan. So Jocelyn, what you're going to do is you're going to start the wiki for us. And then we're going to, I'm just going to put in like, you know, our README, like our documentation of how to install packages and all this kind of stuff. Because later on, we're using a lot of open source stuff. So I kind of want to put the open source like libraries we're using on the app, like give some credit. A lot of apps are doing that recently. And
So then I'll just start the Notion page or whatever for us, and then we'll start adding the documentation to it.
Exactly. It would be nice, Song, if you could work on this search stack as well. So like, you know, like Instagram search page. You know, there's like the search page, and then there's like the results underneath, and then you could go to the history and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
So I think it usually consists of 2 screens. pretty sure. So
Okay.
that'd be kind of nice if you did that as well. All right, now inside of here, we'll try to get that web view working. And let me see here. Playground. So I'll just copy paste this code here. Text strings must be rendered within a text. 1 second. I have a little issue. Oops. What's going on? Oh, semicolon. There you go. Alright, cool. Now we have a nice little web view within our app. You guys see that? So now if I go to like google.com, refresh, it'll show google.com, and it's a little browser within our app, right?
Nice.
You do have to be careful because you cannot make it so free. Like if you do Google, that means that like, you know, someone could use this app for anything. So you get rejected from the App Store if it's too free. So like you give too much like freedom for the user. So now what I would like to do is I would like to stick it in a modal and call it like a web view modal, and then we can kind of use that. So I'm gonna take this guy out, and my expected result right now is let's just do like this real quick, and then I'll do import button from here. I'll make a button. How do I do it? Press here. Did I have a center? So now, if I press this, my expected result is to pop open a web view. So let's get that done. And I think we'll be done for today. All right, now I'll make this web view modal function. So I'll do import React, import, I'm pretty sure I have a modal in here somewhere. Let's see here. Import React, import overlay from the theme, and I want to use overlay props. All right, now I'm going to use import web view. So this is the modal that pops up right now. You see that, Gabe?
Yeah.
All right, now I need a controller. So I say use state, and then I can say const is visible, set is visible to false, and I'll pass in is visible here. And then if I press this, I'm going to say set is visible to true. And if I press on the backdrop, I can do set is visible to false. So this button did get added, but I'm gonna have to play around with the positioning a little bit. But now we have a nice little web view modal where we can pass in any URI. So I can pass in anything here and it'll open that to a full screen. I'll mess around with the things a little bit, but now maybe.
And why do you need to bring it up to the better plan?
Oh, because there's so right now we're using Firestore and authentication, but we need to use something called Firebase hosting. I think this is really good because it's really easy to deploy like simple websites. I guess you can deploy any website, but it automatically gives you an SSL certificate and everything. Now I want to use hosting. I think I clicked on the wrong one actually. We'll pass in this URI here, and we'll press that, and it opens up our privacy policy. Nice. Cool, and then we'll make one for terms of service and all that kind of stuff. So and now if we go to Let's Social web app, and then we type in type equals privacy policy, he'll open the privacy policy page, and then if we type in TOS or anything else, it'll open the terms and conditions. That's pretty cool. So now we can just use that in our website. Now we can just use that in our code. So how I would do that is in the Light Social Mobile, I'll go to config. Inside of the app config, maybe I'll put in TOS link, or I'll just put in something called links, and I'll put in TOS. No, let's just do this. TOS, and then I'll do like this. So that's the TOS link, and then the privacy policy, and then that's going to be this link, and that's going to be at the type of privacy policy, like this. Cool. Now inside of here, we can just do privacy policy, and that's going to be a string, and then terms of service, that's going to be a string. This dot privacy policy will equal this, like up. Terms of service, terms and conditions, which
Terms of service.
I have no idea.
Okay.
So all right. Well, that's I hope you guys learned something. That was like we set up the whole web view for the Firebase hosting and stuff, and we just put it in one page. So now that's pretty much all done, and that looks cool. Like we did a couple things. We set up the React Native web view. We made a web view modal, and then we did the Firebase hosting for the terms of service page and the privacy policy.
That's what's up.
And I found out about this today. The privacy policy generator. That shit's kind of cool. I think everyone knows what they're doing. I think hopefully Gabe just work with the image picker. I'm gonna review your code and let you know and message you. And then as the design comes out, I'll let you guys know. In the admin panel, I'm looking forward to looking at it and working on it a little bit with you. Jocelyn.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Yeah, let me know.
All right. Later.
See you
See ya.
guys.
Bye.
Take
Have a
care.
good night, day.
Thank you.
You too.
Have a good one.
Bye.
Bye.
We're back. Anyways, yeah,
Update.
there wasn't too much like progress, but now everybody knows what they're doing, and I have some work to do. I have to review some code and put it in the development branch, and I have to update main branch soon. So and the stable branch. So I think this I'll do that stuff today. I'll get that stable branch because we're at a good checkpoint,
Sick.
and then I have to finish the Microsoft login.